Hi friends, welcome to another Immigration 101 video. In this video, I'm going to clarify a point that I made in one of my earlier videos about the I-130 interview process. So stay tuned. So yesterday I had a terrific call with a woman in Virginia who is petitioning for her husband who lives in Ghana. He's in Ghana, great country by the way. I have a lot of friends in Ghana. Now the woman was concerned because she's been following me on YouTube and watching my videos. Woohoo! So I'm super thrilled by that. But she was concerned because as she's petitioning for her husband, she wanted to know whether they're at risk somehow for deportation because of something I said in one of my videos on the I-130 interview process, step-by-step video. So I talked about the fact that if a spouse is denied for the green card and the government suspects that the individual committed fraud, both spouses committed fraud in order to procure or get that green card, the I-130, the I-45, adjustment of status and such can be denied, certainly, or later on down the road, if the person only had a 2-year green card, the conditional green card, right? And they try to remove those conditions so that they can get the 10-year green card. And during that process, the government suspects that the marriage was fraudulent and denies the petition. That person is at risk for deportation, meaning that that person can then be charged with committing a fraud under our immigration laws, and that person will get an NTA or a notice to appear in immigration court to go before a judge and explain to the judge why he or she should not be deported because maybe they didn't commit fraud in the first place. So that's what I was really talking about. So people who are here in the United States who have applied for a green card through their spouse, yet the government suspects that fraud was at play and the government denies the petition, yes, that person can be at risk, is at risk for deportation. But in this woman's case, who I spoke with yesterday, the Virginia woman, she has nothing to worry about because she's a U.S. citizen. Her husband's in Ghana. They've been married for years. It's a real marriage. She's petitioning for him. He's living in Ghana. He cannot come here yet. He doesn't have a visa to travel. So there's no issue with regard to deportation in those cases. What's at play there is that certainly as she files her petition, she has to prove to the government that they have a bona fide, true and genuine marriage. And if the government believes that and her husband goes on his interview at the U.S. Embassy, all will be well. Don't forget also to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is growing and it is growing because of you. I so appreciate each and every one of my subscribers, and we're going to just make this thing get bigger, guys. This is just going to get bigger because a lot of fraud is out there and people need good, smart immigration answers. So share my stuff, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.